Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Godwin. I do tutorials on how to make money online. I came to realize that there are so many people looking for a way to make money online, and there are some working online already, but they cannot use some websites that use crypto as their payment method, or some are finding it difficult to withdraw money from crypto or withdraw their payment or use crypto as their payment method. So today I decided to do tutorial on how to use crypto as your payment method. So I'm going to take you step by step on how you're going to register on this platform. After this video or next video, I'm going to show you how you're going to trade on this crypto website and how you're going to make use of your wallet for your payment online. If today is your first day of coming across my channel and you find this video informative, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, YouTube will update you. Without wasting time, let's go down to the screen.
The first thing you have to do is to go to Google search and type in Quidders. Just type in Quidders. Quidders is going to pop up. Okay, click on Quidders. After loading, you click on Get Started. This is step by step on how to register on Quidders if you want to trade. And the tradings are very simple. Anybody can trade. So now we need an individual account, not a business account. So we have to choose our country. Like me, I'm in Nigeria, so I have to choose Nigeria as my country. Alright, after choosing your country, you choose your username, which I'll just use FAP for an example as my username. Then after that, you choose your first name. Let me just use Favor as my first name. Then my last name, let me just use Choma as my last name. We're just using this as an example. They are not my real names. Now we're going to choose our email address. So I have plenty email address. I have to just choose one from it. Let me just use this one. Then in setting up our password, now we'll have a minimum of 8 characters, a lowercase letter and a capital uppercase letter, and a number. Okay, we're going to use Choma as our password. So the first thing we're going to do is to click on capital letter C, then add 1, H, add 2, I, add 3, O, add 4, M, add 5, A, add 6. As you can see, it's complete. Now you click on this I sign to see if what you typed is exactly what you wanted to type. So everything is correct. Now we're going to put our phone number. You just put your phone number 081 88, anything, you know your phone number, you just put in your phone number. So this is the format you're going to use. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on I'm not a robot, you create account. Alright, see what they are telling, that QVAP has already been taken. So we're going to change this now to Favis. Change it to this, so we won't repeat it again because I don't think this belongs to anybody. We're going to retype our password now. Okay, set your login password. Okay, we use C1, H2, I3, O4, M5, A6. Remember, we use Choma. Everything is complete. Now let's create this account. Not now. Oh yes, the account has been created. We have to go to our email to verify it. They've already sent me the verification link. Once you click on activate your account, you finish creating your account. So now we're going to log in. I already have an account here, so I don't want to click on this email. Let me log in with my own account. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is go to this 3 line at the right corner top, click on it. Then you see drop down and you have to click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you have to put in your email, your password, and I'm not a robot. You click on I'm not a robot. Okay, my email and password, I just have to put them. Okay, then I sign in. No, I don't want to save it. I sign in. Fine. When you sign in, they're going to send you email. They're sending me this email because I initially registered a new account, so that is why they want to confirm if it's still me that is logging in. So I have to go to my email address now. They've already sent me the email. I have to go to my email address because now it's showing a different um IP address. So I have to go there, copy this code. In case in the process one day you come across this, just copy the code, authorization code, paste it here, click authorization, re-click it. It will take you down to your account. Okay, now they're going to ask you if they should add this device as a trusted device. Yes, add as a trusted device. You're going to add it as a trusted device. All right, I've logged into my account. So immediately after you log in, the next you have to do is to go to verification session to verify your account. So what you have to do is to still click on these three drop down menu. When you click on it, you click on this place now, like this is my username, Lady Fresh. So you can click on your own username here, then you go to my account. Once you get to my account, you see that my email is verified. You go to identity verification. Once you click on identity verification, mine is approved already. So in this place now, you see a space where you're going to upload your ID, your valid ID card, maybe driver's license or national ID card or voter's card, any which one you have. You upload it. They're going to verify it within 24 hours and you start trading. Not that you can't trade without verification. You can actually trade without verification, but if you want to withdraw your money, you have to verify your account before you withdraw your money. And also, if you are being paid by a freelance website, you're going to verify your account before you can withdraw your money through P2P. So please, if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, YouTube will notify you. And please, if you have any question, do comment it at the comment section. I'm going to attend to it one after the other.
The risk warning is that cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk and you will be responsible for your trading losses. Please trade with caution. Be aware of phishing sites and always make sure you are visiting the official Quidas or Binance website when entering sensitive data.